We'll guide you through how to import CSV file in Notion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, opening your browser and letting it load. Then move your cursor to the search bar at the top and click it so you can type. Type Notion into the search bar and press Enter so the results can load. When the results appear, select the first web option that shows up and wait for it to open. After the site loads, log in or sign into your account so you can reach your workspace. Once you are logged in, go to the private area on the left side where your personal pages are stored. Inside this section, press the plus button on the right to create a new page. After the new page opens, move your eyes to the top right corner where you will see 3 dots. Click the 3 dots to open a menu that includes several options you can use. When the menu appears, look through the list until you find the import option. Once you see it, left-click the import button so you can open the import panel. A new menu will appear containing several types of import choices. Look through the list and select CSV, since this is the format Notion uses for bringing in spreadsheet files. After choosing CSV, press the Choose File button so you can pick a file from your device. When you press it, a small file window will appear, letting you browse through your folders. Move through your files until you find the Excel file you want to bring into Notion. Once you find the right file, select it with a single click, then press Open so the system can load it into the import screen. After the file is selected and shown in the import panel, look for the Import button below and press it to start the process. Notion will then bring your Excel data into the page you created earlier. The import may take a moment depending on the size of your file, but once it is done, the data will appear inside your new page in table form.